As a Jamaican living in Zimbabwe, people often ask me, what is rural Jamaica like?
I'm here at our family reunion, and it's actually by the river.
We're in my father's hometown in the Buff Bay Valley in Portland for a family get-together. This would be the Jamaican equivalent of our Kumusha.
It's cool, right?
This is pretty much what rural Jamaica looks like. There are no huts, rarely any animal-drawn carts, but food is often cooked outdoors on open fire. Very few Jamaican family gatherings are complete without a game of domino and Ludi. Come along with me to rural Jamaica as I spend the day reuniting with family. This is Kingston, Jamaica's capital city, a major commercial hub and large metropolitan area. The city is known by many around the world, but less known are Jamaica's rural gems like Portland. Away from the urban hustle and bustle, the Buff Bay Valley, defined by its lush greenery, fresh water, and rich biodiversity, is nestled in the Blue Mountain and known for its coffee and banana production. But it also happens to be the place where my father grew up, and we're driving there to meet up with extended family for the new year.
So I'm here at our family reunion, and it's actually by the river, just close by. So we're preparing the cooking, and it's a good time. It's a bit overcast, so it might rain, but anyway, beautiful, right? Whoops! Oh! Gotta be careful, buddy. Come, give mommy a hand. It's cool, right?
Yeah. Are they not dirty?
No, it's clean. Yeah.
Look. Yes, sir. When you're Europe, you must read up. Yeah,
Anyway, too much nice other people in that kind of food in the phone. Nice to take time.
Oh, yeah. See you there, something now. I'm early now. I want to. I know you're home there. Wait a minute.
Food is a major part of our identity as Jamaicans. On the menu was soft yam, rice and peas, curry chicken, escovitch fish, jerk chicken, goated soup / manish water.
Where is it? Not 1 year. A 1 year thing, man.
No, 2 year thing.
Massive. 1 year thing, you know. Let me turn it.
About 3 months of time until we said, yeah, that's something.
Over Sunday. Are you glad?
Yeah, so we have whatever they come down to. So, Mr. Boy, you know this one.
Yeah, sir.
No, man,
This is goat soup. Goat soup. Yeah.
Yeah, no, we make a about that, not more. That is it.
No, it's a full music first. No, yeah. That's what I'm buying. What I'm
Where me in?
Teach me how to play this game.
Why?
Can you teach me how to play this game? Huh? I know what to
When you deal with the nice one. Alright, so we put it up to 4 minutes. That's the way. Yeah.
Okay, some potato.
This good?
Yeah. Popcorn. Thank you.
As Jamaicans, our family gatherings also consist of local board games like dominoes and ludi.
What, the way you fill up on the boat, sir? Yes, sir. So we. One more thing, sir. I see that I come back to that today. 4, 3.
Hold on, I know your turn.
1, 2.
I know your turn.
Tip. I know your turn. You have to go on and circle the friend.
6.
Yeah?
1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6. You're in trouble. Show 6.
You got it
Caught you. I have to show my handsome cousin. I can't.
Make him end a swell. Listen. No, make it up.
No smile, please.
So, guys, this is my big cousin and her son. Like, can you imagine? That's her son.
Mr.
Love him, mother.
No.
I have to say love him, mother.
One of the highlights from this reunion was seeing my uncle's daughters, my younger cousins who I hadn't seen in years. And I was so amazed to see how grown up they are now.
Cute, man.
Obviously, I wasn't the only one who was excited. This was the first time Tiago was meeting some of his family members, and I loved it for him. As a country girl who has traveled to many places in the world, no experience can replace this. The heartwarming simplicity of returning to your roots, of returning to all you call home. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.